What role does food play in liver health? Food can play a critical role in liver health. In fact, health experts have noted there has been a big increase in non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. This is a sign of damage to the liver that isn't due to overindulging in alcohol. Here are 7 foods that will help you keep your liver healthy. Artichokes. Artichokes can help protect your liver from damage. The compounds found in it have been studied for their ability to prevent liver-damaging toxins from entering liver cells. Artichokes are in the same plant family as milk thistle, which is used to promote liver health. Add it to a salad for extra fiber and nutrition. Beans. Beans are loaded with healthy fiber, which is known to support a healthy microbiome. A healthy microbiome, in turn, is linked to improved liver health. Use beans as a plant-based source of protein and fiber to stay full longer and to help purify your liver. Yogurt. As with beans, yogurt is also great for your microbiome. The yogurt actually replenishes the microbes themselves, as yogurt contains probiotics, which are those beneficial gut-friendly bacteria. Get unsweetened, plain Greek yogurt to keep added sugar low and to reap those probiotic benefits. If you're enjoying this content so far, I'd love for you to please take a moment to like and subscribe. We have plenty more health-related advice to share and hope it can help you on your journey to achieving your health goals. Coffee. Your morning coffee can have some liver-protecting effects. In this case, coffee is noted for its ability to prevent the buildup of fat and connective tissue in the liver. Coffee also appears to reduce inflammation in the liver and increase levels of antioxidants in the body. Coffee beans are rich in antioxidants, so try to enjoy it in its pure state if possible. Make sure you stick to black coffee or with just a splash of cream or a small amount of sugar. Bright purple and red berries. Blueberries, blackberries, cranberries, and similar foods are loaded with a group of compounds called polyphenols. These substances appear to protect liver cells from damage and supply antioxidants to help reduce free radical damage in liver tissue. Add some to yogurt for double the benefits. Cruciferous vegetables. Here's another reason green vegetables are so good for you. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, kale, chard, mustard, and collard greens, bok choy, watercress, horseradish, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts support the liver's ability to detoxify the many less than healthy things we come into contact with every day. Fatty fish and nuts. Healthy sources of fat reduce inflammation, which keeps your liver healthy. Enjoy at least 2 to 3 servings of fish a week and munch on nuts when you need a snack. Yet, limit to a handful or so to keep calories and fat in check. There's quite a bit of both per serving. Thank you for watching. We hope this healthy advice does well for you.